Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.2. Now problem number 13. A quadrilateral has vertices at minus 4, comma minus 2, 5, comma minus 1, 6, comma 5 and minus 7, comma 6. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. Okay. Here you are given A, B, C, D, that is a quadrilateral. We have to prove midpoints of all the sides form a parallelogram. First we can find the midpoints of each and every side. P is the midpoint of AD. Midpoint of AD equals midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. I write the points A and D here. A that is equal to minus 4 minus 2 and D minus 7 comma 6. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 minus 4 minus 7 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 minus 2 plus 6. That is equal to minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 divided by 2, minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4 by 2. You can cancel 2 times. That is equal to minus 11 by 2 comma 2. Point P over. Now Q. Q is the midpoint of AB. Q, that is the midpoint of AB. Points A and B equals A that is minus 4 minus 2, B that is 5 comma minus 1 equals same midpoint formula minus 4 plus 5, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 plus x2 by 2, so minus 4 plus 5 by 2, y1 plus y2 minus 2 minus 1 equals minus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now R equals R is the midpoint of BC. So R is equal to midpoint of BC equals B and C points. I write over here B that is 5 comma minus 1, C that is 6 comma 5. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Midpoint formula, you know that x1 plus x2 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 5 by 2, minus 1 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11 by 2. This is minus 1 plus 5, 4 by 2. 11 by 2, 4 by 2. That is equal to 11 by 2, comma 4 by 2. You can simplify by 2 table 2 times. That is equal to 11 by 2, comma 2. Finally, point S. Look at the diagram. S is the midpoint of CD. Midpoint of CD. C and D. C point is 6 comma 5, D point minus 7 comma 6. Consider as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Formula x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 minus 7 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 5 plus 6 by 2. 6 minus 7, that is minus 1 by 2, 5 plus 6, that is 11 by 2. Now I got the points P, Q, R and S. All the 4 points. Now, for proving that PQRS is parallelogram, it is enough to prove midpoint of the diagonals are equal. That is, midpoint of PR equals midpoint of QS. If it is, PQRS is a parallelogram. So, first we can find the midpoint of PR. Midpoint of PR equals midpoint formula. You know that x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Same formula only. I write the points P and R only. P and R. P point we got it already, minus 11 by 2, comma 2. R point, here it is 11 by 2, comma 2. 11 by 2, comma 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, that is minus 11 by 2 plus 11 by 2 divided by 2, because x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Plus 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 both get cancelled. What is the numerator? 0, 0 by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 by 2. 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. 4 by 2, that is 2 only. So, 0, comma 2. That is midpoint of PR. Now, another diagonal QS. We have to find out the midpoint of the diagonal QS. Midpoint of the diagonal QS. Even here I include the word the diagonal. Midpoint of the diagonal PR and midpoint of the diagonal, sorry, here QS, not QR, QS. QS equals, I write the points Q and S here. Q here it is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Next, S point. S, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Here it is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Equals now this is x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, half minus half by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. See, x1 plus x2 by 2, half minus half by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 3 by 2 plus 11 by 2 divided by 2 equals, half minus half get cancelled, 0 by 2. Here 2 is the LC common denominator, at the numerator minus 3 plus 11 divided by 2 equals, 0 by 2 is 0, 11 minus 3, that is 8, 8 by 2 by 2. 0 comma 8 by 2, that is 4, 4 by 2, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, 0 comma 2, that is equal to 0 comma 2. See, look at that, midpoint of PR, that is equal to 0 comma 2, midpoint of the diagonal QS also 0 comma 2. So outright the result, since final result, since the midpoint of diagonal PR equals midpoint of the diagonal QS, P, Q or S form a parallelogram. So problem number 13 is completed.